Hey there, I'm Laura Lee Sparks, and if you're an estate or elder law attorney looking to supercharge your practice, you're in the right place.
Hey guys, it's Laura Lee, and today I'm going to tackle a topic that makes some of you kind of break out in hives: networking and building referral partner relationships. Now, I've been around for a long time, back when floppy disks were the cutting edge technology. Let's just jump right in. You've got a law degree, but that's just your ticket to the game. Your networking skills, that's how you win. So let's dive in and let's see how we can turn those awkward event conversations into gold mines for your practice. First thing is the follow-up. This is your $1 million skill. First things first is you've got to follow up. You wouldn't believe how many attorneys I've seen that just collect a stack of business cards from an event only to let them gather dust on their desk. Might as well just be throwing that money into a shredder, folks. So your pro tip number one is going to be to set aside 30 minutes in the day after an event to follow up with every single person that you met. And I don't mean just a generic, nice to meet you email. I'm talking about a real personalized message, one that references your conversation and suggests a next step. So important. Now, some of you are probably thinking, Laura Lee, I'm an introvert, networking is torture. Guess what? I'm not asking you to become some stand-up comedian. I'm just asking you to be a human being, be genuine, and just be interested in other people. Use those active listening skills, the same ones that you use with your clients. Vendor relationships, your untapped gold mine. Let's talk about vendors. Those people that usually breeze by at events on their way to the bar. Big mistake, huge. Vendors are your secret weapon. They talk to everyone and they know everyone. And if you play your cards right, they'll refer you to everyone. So next time you're at an event, spend some quality time with the vendors. Ask about their businesses, their challenges, and how you might be able to help them. Here's where the magic happens, folks. Follow up with those vendors and explore collaborative relationships. Can you offer a free seminar to their clients? Can they provide a service that complements your practice to your clients? Get creative and get collaborative. And then finally, referral partnerships. They are the lifeblood of your practice. These relationships can make or break your practice. Identify professionals whose services complement yours. For estate and elder law attorneys, that might be financial advisors, accountants, geriatric care managers, funeral home directors. But don't just swap business cards and call it a day. Really develop a structured referral system. Set clear expectations about what the referral process looks like and who your ideal client is. Establish a system, a way to track referrals, and provide them, where possible, updates on referred clients. Keep it within your ethical boundaries, of course, but reaching out and saying thank you and then keeping them up to date, especially financial advisors and CPAs, is a great way to do things. And then show your appreciation. But remember, it's not a quid pro quo. That's just a ticket to ethical hot water. Just reach out to them. We have a quarterly system where we reach out to our referral partners each and every quarter with some kind of appreciative token. And we get creative about it. Sometimes it's via email, sometimes it's right into their mailbox, right? Way to stand out. Some of you are squirming in your seats. Isn't this like close to getting me in hot water? It's not. It just shows you're paying attention. And of course, I'm always going to tell you, you're going to consult with your state ethics rules before implementing anything that I tell you about, and always err on the side of caution. And then finally, the long game is nurturing the relationships. And this is where I see so many of you dropping the ball. You think that networking is like this one and done deal, and you join all these networking organizations and you're showing up to the meetings, and then maybe you drop out after a few months because you're like, oh, this isn't working for me. No, it's not. Networking is like planting a garden, and you've got to tend to it regularly if you want it to bear fruit. So set up a system to stay in touch with your network. It could be a monthly email newsletter. Maybe it's quarterly coffee meetups. Maybe it's bi-monthly or quarterly events that you host. Maybe it's sending relevant articles to your contacts. Whatever it is, make it valuable, make it about them, and most importantly, make it consistent. So you went to law school to practice law, not to become a professional smoozer. I get it, but here's the cold hard truth. In today's competitive legal landscape, being a great attorney is not enough. You need to be a great attorney who's also great at building and maintaining relationships. Like any skill, networking gets easier with practice. So get out there and follow up some more. Explore collaborative relationships and nurture those referral partnerships. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget, like, subscribe, share this video. After all, isn't that what networking is all about? This is Laura Lee Sparks signing off. Now go forth and network. Just don't forget to bring your business cards.